Hi, Dr. Tsangaroulis here. Hope everyone's healthy. What I'd like to do since we're under quarantine is give you guys some helpful tips on whitening our teeth at home using some common household products. Hydrogen peroxide, 3%, and sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. So what I want you guys to know quickly is that the common active ingredient in all bleaching products is hydrogen peroxide. And the effectiveness of the whitening is determined by two factors: the concentration of the peroxide, so the higher the concentration, the better, and also how well it stays isolated on the teeth. Okay, so I will tell you that whitening toothpaste on the market, the peroxide does not stay isolated on the teeth for a long enough period of time to have a good whitening effect. In addition, a lot of the whitening toothpastes on the market are also highly abrasive, so they could have a damaging effect on the enamel over long term. Okay, so some additional pluses of peroxide and baking soda are that peroxide is actually healthy for the gums. It kills bacteria, and it also destroys coronavirus as an added bonus. On the other hand, baking soda is alkaline or basic, so it buffers any acidity, which is what is how plaque accumulates. So, and it also is a surface stain remover. So these two actually have a synergistic effect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix these two together. I've already pre-mixed it for the sake of time, but you want a 2-to-1 ratio. You want double the amount of baking soda to hydrogen peroxide. You want approximately 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of peroxide. And you're gonna mix these two together until you get a toothpaste gel-like consistency. So right about there, okay? You're gonna brush with this twice a day, and you're gonna brush for 2 minutes and then let it sit on your teeth for another minute or two, and then you're gonna rinse it out with water. For taste, you might wanna add a smidge of your own toothpaste or peppermint oil if you have, right? The aftertaste with this is not the greatest, okay? The other thing that you can do is coconut oil pulling. So with coconut oil pulling, we swish for 20 minutes. And I know that sounds like a long time, but we're under quarantine, so we have plenty of time. And coconut oil pulling is actually very good for the gums as well. Okay, make sure that you spit out in the garbage and not in the sink, because it could have a damaging effect on the drain. So I hope all that helps. If you guys have any questions, feel free to message me. Otherwise, please stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. I'll see you all soon.